how to update messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can update messages on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Instagram application. Instagram basically has this new DMs update that is also connected to your messenger, and you want to update this messaging application. For that, come to the profile page here, tap on the three lines option, go to settings here, and here you should be able to find the option to update messaging if it's not already updated. Otherwise, what you can also do is just come back. If you don't find there, you might be able to find inside of this option called update messaging. Now if that doesn't help, you can just head over to your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Instagram app itself has an update. If it does, then make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. This way you can update messages on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.